guys can see that, right? Is it orange? It's orange. Okay, where's it? Okay, it's fine. Don't go to sleep. Shh. Let's go. Come on. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up, little. Rise and shine. Rise and shine. Yes. Okay, she's going to start hatching again. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it, Maggie. Okay, she's actually making like really good holes. My goodness. She's like, how is she so strong? Like really strong. Shh, it's okay. Oh, it keeps hatching. Okay. Okay. Oh my goodness. It's like actually hatching. I've never seen it before. Out of a toy, too. I can't keep up with it. Shh. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Don't go to sleep. Don't go to sleep. Rise and shine. Let's go. No, don't go to sleep. Rise and shine. I don't think she's liking her blanket. She might be allergic to it. She really did. Like, do it. Go, come on. Oh, but like, there's like a hole in it. And I've seen other YouTubers actually pick it at this. No, I'm not going to do that. I'm actually gonna wait for it to actually hatch. I'm sorry, guys. I can't speed this up, but. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Maggie. Come on. Okay. Yeah, she's going to start hatching again. I just have to keep doing this and tapping. Come on. She okay? You can do this. You can do this. Oh, Aggie. You're okay. Okay, it's starting. Oh my goodness! She's powerful. Very powerful. Oh my goodness! Like, this is crazy. Oh my goodness! Like, she's making really big holes now. Come on, come on. Rise and shine, rise and shine. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. You've made it big. Oh my goodness. Look at her beak! Saw her beak in there. I need a chapter. It's okay, little. Her beak. No, don't go to sleep. No, no, you made it so far. Don't go to sleep. Good job. I just saw it peek. It's peek. Well, like. Who's this? Where's this? Who's this little Hatchimal? Ah, okay, I'm not gonna pick at it, so you know what? No, don't go back to sleep. You've made it so far. Like, you've made it really far. Like, super. Look how much you've made. And the guys love you, Maggie. Come on. Wake up. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Wake up. Yes. Okay, she's going to start making holes again. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'm still here. I'm still here, Maggie. I'm still here. Where is she hatching? Okay, she's hatching right here. Look at that. See, there's her beak. Come on. Come on, little one. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Rise and shine. Come on. Wake up. Wake up. Okay, I can't see it anymore. Guys, this egg is a magical egg. Because it's a Hatchimal egg, of course. Okay, she's going to start hatching again. Oh my gosh, it's hatching again. It's hatching again. Look. Whoa, that's like a big piece. Whoa! There it is. Come on. Like, you can just see her pink beak right here. I really don't know who it is. Okay, whoa. It's making big holes. Whoa, look at this hole. It's like exploding. Whoa. Whoa. Dude, this thing is strong. And girls also. But this thing is strong. If you're a girl, I'm sorry if I called you a dude, but you are very strong if you're a girl or a boy. Oh my gosh. It's like hatching. It's like hatching. Where's it going? Okay, it's here. Oh my goodness, that's like... Wake up, wake up. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Unless it like makes it, I get it like how it's really realistic, but if it like doesn't make it and it like is still stuck with that little piece there, I might just peel that off. But like I'm not gonna peel it and pick it to actually see who it is. So don't think I'm not. Okay. Yeah. Start hatching again. There we go. Guys, this is amazing. Oh my goodness! It's made like a really big hole there. It's like connecting now. I wonder who it is. Oh, it's here. Okay. This thing has made some serious, like, holes, though. I might actually have to peel it, guys, though, because, like, he keeps going in the same pattern. And it's like it can hatch and everything, but I'm afraid it might not hatch all by itself and, like, get everything done. Because it's doing the same pattern, and so, like, see this hole? It keeps going in this hole and not breaking anything. But guys, it can really hatch. You just might have to peel it a little bit. Cause who is it? Who is it? Who is it? Come on, wake up again. Wake up, wake up. It's Sunday. Just wake up. Oh no, a piece of it, the egg fell. No. Alright, it's fine. Wait, how easy is this to rip? Okay. It's like weird. It's like a weird thing. Okay. I wish you guys knew like how it felt to like rip the egg. The egg is actually really strong. Not too strong, but pretty strong for this egg. Come on, wake up, rise and shine. Come on, you can do it. Okay, we've all heard this music for a very long time. Just start hitting.